What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We are doing the 3-spot random and the random for the wild cards as well. So we're just going to go live for randoms. 908. It's 908. So we got the 3-spot random for a free box of artifacts. Good luck, guys. We're going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Brian with the free box of artifacts. Congrats. And for the wild cards, so I think they're all regular wild cards, and the 3-spot is a wild card emerald. So whoever lands the 3-spot will get the emerald, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top 6 all win. So good luck, guys. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So we got Brian, Patrick, Hansa, you got the emerald, Rob, Matt, and Brian, all getting wild cards. There you guys have it.